back to Garden Decor Designs. Today we are taking your greenery to new heights, literally. If you've ever felt like you've run out of floor space for your plant collection, or you just want to add a layer of lush, organic texture to your home, you are in the right place. We're diving deep into the world of indoor hanging gardens. An indoor hanging garden is a creative and space-saving way to grow plants by suspending them from the ceiling, walls, or architectural features, rather than placing them on the ground or furniture. It is essentially the art of vertical gardening brought inside. By using various vessels like macrame hangers, geometric glass terrariums, or even repurposed industrial pipes, you create a multi-dimensional living curtain of greenery. This method allows you to utilize the often overlooked vertical real estate in your home, turning empty air into a vibrant, oxygen-rich ecosystem. It's more than just a decor trend. It's a way to integrate nature into your lifestyle, regardless of how much square footage you have. The benefits of a hanging garden go far beyond simple aesthetics. From a health perspective, hanging plants are incredible air purifiers, filtering out common household toxins and releasing fresh oxygen at a height where it can circulate more effectively throughout the room. Psychologically, being surrounded by greenery at eye level or above creates a cocooning effect that significantly reduces stress and boosts productivity. Furthermore, from a design standpoint, hanging gardens are a lifesaver for small apartment dwellers. They allow you to enjoy a massive plant collection without cluttering your walkways or tabletops. They also keep delicate plants out of reach from curious pets and toddlers, making them a safe and functional choice for busy households. To make your hanging garden look truly professional, you need to play with depth and layers. Start by mixing your heights. Don't hang everything in a straight line, as this can look stiff. Use adjustable cords or various lengths of macrame to create a staggered, organic feel. Incorporate different textures in your planters. Think sleek ceramic for a modern look, woven seagrass for a boho vibe, or metallic brass for a touch of elegance. Lighting is also key. Placing your hanging garden near a window allows the sunlight to filter through the leaves, creating beautiful dappled shadows on your walls. For a cohesive look, try to stick to a color palette for your pots that complements your existing furniture, or go bold by using the plants themselves as the primary wallpaper for a minimalist room. When choosing plants, you want species that thrive in elevated environments and offer a pleasing trail. The golden pothos is a classic choice because it is nearly indestructible and grows long, leafy vines very quickly. For a more delicate, sophisticated look, the string of pearls or string of hearts offers unique textures that look like living jewelry cascading over the side of a pot. If you have lower light, the heartleaf philodendron is a fantastic, hardy option. For those who want a bit of a wild look, spider plants are excellent because they produce babies that dangle down, adding volume and movement. Don't forget Boston ferns if you have a humid spot like a bathroom. Their feathery fronds create a lush, Victorian-era greenhouse feel that is hard to beat. And finally, for the conclusion, let's explore the top 10 best indoor hanging garden ideas to inspire and spark your imagination. One, the sun-drenched dining sanctuary. This stunning dining area uses the natural light from large windows to create a full-scale indoor jungle. By hanging large, leafy plants like Christmas cactuses and pothos from the ceiling beams, the space feels intimate and vibrant. The combination of floor-standing palms and suspended greenery creates a 360-degree nature experience while you eat. 2, the minimalist window rod display. This is a brilliant solution for renters or those who don't want to drill many holes. A simple white tension rod across a window frame provides a sturdy base for a variety of trailing plants. The mix of Monstera adansonii and vining ivy creates a living curtain that provides privacy while still letting soft light filter through. 3, golden elegance with string of pearls. These metallic hammered gold hanging bowls are the perfect contrast for the delicate, bead-like foliage of the string of pearls. By hanging these at eye level near a bright window, the plants look like high-end art pieces. The use of simple twine maintains a natural touch while the gold adds a pop of luxury. 4. The industrial ceiling grid. For a modern or office setting, an overhead black mesh grid is a game changer. This setup allows for a dense canopy of ferns and trailing vines to hang directly over a workspace or kitchen island. It's an architectural way to bring nature indoors without taking up any usable wall or floor space. 5. The kitchen herb rail. Function meets fashion in this kitchen window display. A sturdy galvanized pipe is mounted above the sink, holding white ceramic pots filled with fresh herbs like parsley and mint. This keeps your cooking essentials within arm's reach, while utilizing the best light in the house for growth. 6. Bohemian driftwood macrame. This design uses a natural branch as a mounting bar, giving the display an earthy, rustic feel. For different macrame hangers hold a variety of textures, from ferns to succulents. The soft cream colors of the ropes against the concrete-style wall create a perfect, Scandi boho aesthetic. 7. Minimalist hanging pail garden. Sometimes simple is best. This idea uses a basic white tension rod and matching white metal pails to hold lush green plants. It's a clean, bright look that works perfectly in a bathroom or small kitchen, proving that you don't need a huge budget to create a beautiful hanging garden. 8. The living wall rail. Using a sleek silver rail, this setup features identical white pots that allow the plants to be the star. The heartleaf philodendrons and trailing vines create a dense curtain of green. This is a great way to hide a plain wall and add a waterfall effect of foliage to your living room. 9. Vibrant talavera pottery display. Add a splash of color to your garden with traditional Mexican talavera-style pots. These brightly patterned ceramic bowls are suspended by silver chains, holding string of pearls and other succulents. The mix of bold colors and natural greens creates a festive, energetic atmosphere in an outdoor patio or sunroom. 10. The macrame texture gallery. This display highlights the art of the knot. By using different macrame patterns, from thick weaves to thin strands, each plant gets its own unique throne. Hanging a mix of pothos, snake plants, and spider plants together creates a diverse gallery of shapes and shades of green. Creating an indoor hanging garden is one of the most rewarding home improvement projects you can take on. It breathes life into stagnant corners, purifies your air, and allows you to express your personal style through the beauty of nature. Whether you start with a single pothos in a window or go all out with a ceiling-mounted grid, the key is to have fun and experiment with different heights and textures. Remember, your home is your sanctuary, and there is no such thing as too many plants when you start using your vertical space. If you enjoyed these 10 hanging garden ideas, please give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click the notification bell so you never miss a new design tip from Garden Decor Designs. Which one of these ideas was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. We'd love to hear how you're planning to elevate your plant game.